Hey, it's me again. Today we are going to make slushies, homemade slushies. How, do you ask? You need some ziplocks. Different sizes help. You need ice and you need salt. I have ice cream salt. Maybe you do. That's great. Put your juice in your little ziplock. Put your little ziplock, make sure it's sealed, in your big ziplock. Add ice. You can use more ice than this. I just got a little. And then, that's my dog. She's a Shetland sheepdog. She's really cute and she knows it. I taped this for travel purposes. Okay, here we go. You're gonna add some salt to the big ziplock. If you don't have rock salt, you'll need more salt than what I use. Okay, that's a ton of salt. That's probably enough. The salt is gonna make the ice melt. And as the ice melts, the cold has to go somewhere. So it's going to go into your juice. My juice is orange juice. It's not going to freeze as well as, say, an apple juice or even like a Kool-Aid experience. But basically, you're just going to squish it. Squish it, squish it. Move it around and squish. That is your life now. It's going to get cold. I'm warning you now. You can get some gloves. Put those on. Do that. Hit the camera stand. It's fine. But this is basically your motion for the next like 15 or so minutes. Have you seen any good movies lately? No? Me neither. It's gonna take a while. Okay, it's been like 15 minutes. It really only starts to get going when the ice has started to fully melt. So when you're there, and you know because the texture changes very, very distinctively, you pull out this bag, dry it off a bit, because you don't want any salt in your smoothie or your thing, and two, you don't want it on your body. And then, after you drop salt all over your floor, what I like to do is just cut the corner of the bag because it makes things easier and squeeze it into your glass. You can do this with ice cream. You can do this with all kinds of stuff. It's making farty noises. I'm sorry. It's kind of funny though. Okay. Setting that aside. Here's my smoothie. Well, slushie. I need a straw. It doesn't work. I don't have a straw, but here, I'll show you what it looks like. Give me a sec. Okay, my smoothie's done. It's not a smoothie, it's a slushie. This is slushies. But see, we got slushy consistency. So you can do that with almost anything. You can do it with cream and milk, make ice cream. Whatever you want, because this is operating on the same principle that those old-fashioned hand ice cream turns worked on. So you just hand churned yourself a slushie. Try it with like Coke, try it with Pepsi, try it with whatever you want. It's fun. Never pay for a slushie again.